Chives are often overlooked in the kitchen because they are usually used as a garnish, but these slender green herbs are packed with valuable nutrients and health-promoting compounds. As part of the allium family alongside garlic and onions, chives contain vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and sulfur compounds that can support many areas of overall wellness. Their mild flavor makes them easy to include in meals, allowing people to enjoy both taste and nutrition at the same time. Number 1. Chives strengthen the immune system. Chives contain vitamin C, which plays a major role in supporting the immune system and helping the body fight infections. They also contain natural antibacterial compounds that may help defend against harmful bacteria and viruses. Regularly eating chives can help strengthen the body's natural defenses over time. Adding them to soups, salads, and eggs is a simple way to support daily immunity. Number 2. Chives promote heart health. The sulfur compounds found in chives may help improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation within the cardiovascular system. Chives also contain antioxidants that help protect blood vessels from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Some studies suggest that allium vegetables may support lower cholesterol and healthier blood pressure levels. Including chives in a balanced diet may therefore contribute to better long-term heart health. Number 3. Chives improve bone strength. Chives are a good source of vitamin K, which is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Vitamin K helps the body use calcium properly and supports bone density as people age. Weak bones can increase the risk of fractures and osteoporosis later in life. Regular consumption of vitamin K-rich foods like chives may help reduce those risks naturally. Number 4. Chives aid digestion. The fiber found in chives helps support healthy digestion and encourages regular bowel movements. Chives may also stimulate digestive juices that assist the body in breaking down food more efficiently. Their natural compounds can help maintain a healthier balance of beneficial gut bacteria. This may reduce bloating and improve overall digestive comfort after meals. Number 5. Chives are rich in antioxidants. Chives contain antioxidants such as flavonoids and vitamin C that help protect the body from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when harmful free radicals damage cells and tissues over time. This damage has been linked to aging and several chronic diseases. Eating antioxidant-rich foods like chives may help support healthier aging and overall wellness. Number 6. Chives may help reduce cancer risk. Like garlic and onions, chives contain sulfur compounds that researchers believe may help protect cells from damage associated with cancer development. These compounds may support the body's natural detoxification processes and reduce inflammation. Some studies have linked allium vegetables to lower risks of certain digestive cancers. While no food can fully prevent cancer, chives may still provide protective health benefits. Number 7. Chives support healthy skin. Vitamin C in chives helps the body produce collagen, a protein that keeps the skin firm and smooth. The antioxidants in chives may also help protect the skin from environmental damage caused by pollution and sunlight. Regular consumption of antioxidant-rich foods may reduce visible signs of aging over time. Chives can therefore support healthier and more radiant-looking skin naturally. Number 8. Chives help regulate blood sugar levels. Certain compounds found in chives may help improve insulin sensitivity and support healthier blood sugar control. Stable blood sugar levels are important for maintaining steady energy and reducing the risk of metabolic problems. Because chives are low in calories and carbohydrates, they fit well into balanced eating plans. Adding them to meals may help support better metabolic health overall. Number 9. Chives support eye health. Chives contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants known for protecting the eyes from age-related damage. These nutrients help support retinal health and may reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Healthy eyes rely on protection from oxidative stress and inflammation. Including chives in your diet can help support long-term visual health. Number 10. Chives assist in natural detoxification. The sulfur compounds in chives may help support liver function and assist the body in removing toxins more efficiently. The liver plays an important role in filtering harmful substances from the bloodstream. Chives also contain antioxidants that help reduce inflammation caused by toxin exposure. Eating nutrient-rich herbs like chives can support the body's natural cleansing processes. Chives are far more than just a decorative topping because they offer a wide range of nutritional and health benefits in a small package. From supporting immunity and digestion to promoting healthier skin and stronger bones, chives can positively contribute to overall wellness in many ways. Their mild flavor and versatility make them easy to include in everyday meals, making this simple herb a surprisingly powerful addition to a healthy diet.